Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see how to solve this question. So now let us start. So this we can write, let us look for the first part. So what we'll do, we'll always look at the inner root. So how will you do that? That will be a raised to 9 and this whatever 6 is here, that will be 1 by 6. And now we can also write this together and this is root of 3. So that we can write as, we can put one bracket over here and that is 1 by 3 and this 4 as it is. So we'll write here, this is 4. So same here, we'll put your dot means that is multiplication. Same for the other one, this one. So we'll write here a raised to 9, the inner root. So this is root 3. Root 3 means here it will be 1 by 3 and then root of 6. So this will be, let us put a curly bracket for this one. So that is 1 by 6 and then this 4. So that is going to be 4. So now let us see whether we can simplify it. So what will be here? You know there is a rule that is a raised to m into a raised to, that is a raised to n, that is going to be a raised to mn. So now what you can see here, that all are in the exponent. So what we can do here, we can simplify this one as a raised to 9 multiplied by 1 by 6 into 1 by 3 into 4. So this is 1 by 9 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 3 into 4. So now this will be in one bracket and multiply by a raised to. So again this is going to be what? 9 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 6 into 4. So this one. So now how will you do this one? So this is going to be 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. Then what we can do here? 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. Then this 3 and 3 goes off, that will be 1. So what remains here is a raised to, in the denominator we don't have anything, that is only 1. In the numerator what remains is 1 into 2, that is going to be 2. And in the second one what we can see here, 3 ones are 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 fours, 2 twos are 4. So now again what we can see here, in the denominator there is nothing left. In the numerator that is only 2 left. So we can write here a raised to 2. So now what we can do here, you know the base is the same. So the a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. So what we can write here, the base will keep the same and this will be 2 plus 2. So that is going to be a raised to 4. So this is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.